Bad to bad.
It's,
Wait there.
you know, remember this. Bad to bad.
Wait no.
Would I give her 5,000 US?
5,000 yesterday a breast? First thing first, I say me I get too fat, I just stop up on the blood clot road, yeah, man. I say me done with the road, I care about that, but done.
First thing I see you as your company lie by your chin, me see.
Boy, me I tell you, on stage, more often for to take down my video, my love, and treating my have on stage.
Oh, you
Treating.
and it gets slim down.
Exactly, for my birthday, I get slim down, I'm a white out. So anything I put my mind to, I can. I sit down, I'm a rub every day for my birthday till my white. I'm a slim, I go 155 pounds. See me the 165 there now?
Let me tell you what I want you to do for me. You know? You see them spot up on my foot? You have to get rid of them.
I will get rid of all of them. You just have to serious.
Me have
When
a
I ready, you ever in the road, I take off your crew here for rub, you in the middle of the road and you dance, you take down place, you do your promotion. You got to do your promotion in your bleaching suit. You got to do your promotion video in your scandal bag, out in the middle of the road and dance to the people them song.
So I have to win a naked video. What me I gonna do?
Do it in the bag, like put the drawers over the scandal bag them. You put the drawers over there, you put the brassiere over the scandal bag. Yeah, imagination do it.
Yeah, alright, you know.
Each reviews your product them sell like hot bird, and you should know that publicly. Thank you, Jolene. Well, Leila, you never feel like you're not the first to start like you back. Bad to bad.
It's,
Wait there.
you know, remember this. Bad
It's
to bad.
not. Wait no.
Would I give her 5,000 US?
5,000 yesterday a breast?
Yeah.
I like, oh yeah. So after, so now we're not gonna see no more man clothes then.
Well, you know me.
You're going to get lady.
And you know me, I go wear my clothes them. Jesus.
You're gonna be a bossy girl.
Yeah, and
And you know the man clothes, when you start shape out the man clothes, them now gonna look good. Remember start wear man clothes, they eat them broad in the joggers them.
I
And
want
the breast them big.
this and draw up your stuff. But I wear that.
Precious here. Thank you.
People.
Canadian customer service, bad for her service. I can't know about that. Eh?
I said Nikki Chroma's that so she gonna rub me if I not use the cream for my spot them.
Yes, sir. I want to text her daily and say, yeah, use the cream. I rub your cream from MAC. I'm can't keep up with that girl, you know. You got to use the cream from MAC, you know.
But remember, if my cream I spot them not go wear me, I go class you.
Class the stretch room. I'm not asking you. I'm sure about it. I'm sure about it. Remember me a big bad chemist, you know. Remember me a big bad chemist, you know. There's nothing I can't fix anything. Anything I don't fix, I don't want to fix.
Nah, like, if I just said I said something, nah, but that.
Wait a minute. What is the reference? I know that she is the performer.
I could have seen it here, kind of bad man.
I go see the body girl. Living in your bar, are you not did that tightness?
Yeah.
Right, this so shape up.
My doorstep.
A shape up, bend down, girl. Bend down and pick up something, see? Okay,
Where they
take it out of her.
here, Mama. It look good, but love it. Come get me. Come and show them the back parts of the ear. Come use the blouse right off this. Think you come feel this to me. Come see it.
Stretch marks, everything, guys.
You see it?
You're nice and true. We get one, we get things from the today.
Yeah, what is it?
Nice. You know me, I forgot something that hairstyle.
Yeah, I'm promoter, I'm buster.
Come for my light that. I gotta say something I can't go, but I say it. Like that.
Stink. No, yes, the people wash. When I have it, let me come up with a girl alive. People for the Earth Palace. For the Earth Palace. Bye.
For the Earth Palace, guys.
Yeah.
Like a some Mother's Day sale, you know.
My mother's just here already. My mother's just here too. My mother's just here too.
When the Mother's Day sale starts?
Thursday.
Alright, see there? So we're going to do a Mother's Day sale. Her Palace is going to do a Mother's Day sale. Chromax is going to do a Mother's Day sale.
Yeah. Follow dolls. Dots.
No. So, how much they going to this?
Doll by diamond. Just follow doll by diamond. For the ear. Jesus Christ. Okay, later. I'm going to be in my answer.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
God, it's like a mosquito bite up my blood clot right there, so. Yeah, guys, I'm going to do a Mother's Day sale weekend, Friday and Saturday, so I have to catch it, grab it. How many people are supposed to do the sale? How the sale for go? But I like them insecure look color lights, you know? Only thing the sale supposed to go, when not give me nothing, when it sound too good for me. Show you the view. Girl, I was right now. Alright, about them. Was a nice booklet. Look at that. No man about them are going back out here, so. What? God, listen to me. You know, come on for the library right now because them are getting crazy. $50% off Kitty Wash. Oh, you keep saying Kitty Wash of $1,700. Oh, you our worst thing could have asked, you know. And the worst thing I could have asked him, I tell him to give me a sale was sound good to me. 1 week sale too long. Can't lose money so long. Oh, wanna not hear me? Buy face cream, get her body. Brother! Listen. We'll come off of blood clean for no for my lemon up. Eh? That's all more reasonable. 10% off. Them go summer day. 15% too much for family. They are business woman. I think better fear than it. No, 15%. No, I think it'll work with me. Look more better. 90%. Hear me and say, I know what I did. From a nice clean husband come home. I want to take a bath. And think about my sale. Sunday, and I like Sunday when I get it. Sunday and all day curfew. Right? Not even say buy body cream and get face cream, which are impossible, my love. That would have never happen, right? Put combos together that will give best result with money. Alright, I'm going to post about the combo then. I'm going to post about all the combos and all the deals. And guys, come on, man. I'm not supposed to grab my spot remover hard. Like, I don't know how someone have to come in, someone a young girl will really go on the road at daytime with a focus spot on her face. I don't know how to do it. I don't know if I have the mask or hide it, but I could have never known to cream myself for $4,000 I take a spot, cream and soap. $4,000, $2,000 for the soap, $6,000. I can't most of that I sell. Will last me for up to 8 to 9 months. I'm not using it for my face. And I walk around with the spot them in my face. Only different, you know, some different set of human being. You know, some different set of human being. You're not supposed to name off the spot remover them, drink it, take it like a pill, swallow it with water like a pill. Me can nose the cream myself for $4,000, sober for $2,000, combo at $6,000, and me not try it. Like not even nothing tried, nothing done. But I say, look at your shirt. I don't look at your shirt, Sean Wonder. Spot ugly bad. Spot ugly bad. Bad. Some man have some look a pretty little girl and the spot I'm gonna look terrible. I'm gonna stay bad. I have say me could have no said that to sell and me not try to fight. Me no grab it, me no run, go grab it and try to fight. Eh? No, sir. But I really think about it. And when the man tells us who say I bring go a river and I bring go beach, where the makeup can't cover the spot, I'm going to see all of the terrible spot them in your face. We are going to tell the man, say, when the man make up come at me out here, sleep on him sheet. Sleep on him nice clean sheet. Him white pillow them. I use the makeup and dirt up the whole of the man pillow them. When you could have a nice clean fresh glow face. You don't really not go off it. And you me attack shit, me attack the whole lot with the spots on the face. Then reason.